Hi there, welcome to Makeup Munchies and More. Thanks for stopping by to witness this fabulous unboxing. Today is the day that Meghan Markle got to marry Prince Harry, and I have the royal wedding inspired subscription box from Quaintly and Company here. So everything inside has to do with the royal wedding, and I thought I would upload this on the day of. So if you're an Anglophile, you probably got up early like I did to watch the wedding. I am actually currently, as of the time you're watching this, at the Royal York Hotel in Toronto, and I stayed overnight. They had a royal wedding package. My friend and I opted in on that, and I'm sure we're having a great time. And if you're a follower of my Instagram, or if you're not and you just want to check it out at Makeup Munchies and More, go and take a look. I'm sure I was, what's it called, Instagram living. I've never done that before. I hope I did, because I'm directing you to something that doesn't exist then. So I hope I did some Instagram live. I'm sure I've put some pictures up, so go and take a look after watching this video. But in the meantime, if you want to know a little bit more about Quaintly and Company, I will insert up here and also in the description box below my first Quaintly and Company unboxing, and I give you a little bit more information about the company. It was really nice. I had a 6-month subscription, I think, but I've opted to cancel my subscription. It was getting a bit pricey, and I've been overflowing with goodies from them, so I thought I would give it a rest. But once they announced the royal wedding box, I had to pick it up. It was just a one-time thing. They've changed their box, the decoration on the box. I really like it now. It's very regal. And then they've got the British flags here, the Union Jacks. It's really pretty. It was pretty before, very colorful, but I kind of prefer this. It just seems much more elegant. I haven't opened it. It's still sealed. And let's open it and see what kind of goodies are inside. All right, first impression. Okay, it's just a plain white tissue paper with their new logo, I guess, on their sticker. Usually they have little confetti type things, but they don't this time, so nothing's going to go flying out. I always hate ripping this part. Okay, so this is what the box looks like inside, and you have your little information card, and it seems very thick this time. They have some history of something, I guess, about love and, about the royal wedding, and there's a few tidbits about the wedding, the traditions and such, and then it tells you what's inside the box here. That's the back. That's really nice. It's like a little souvenir program almost. So let's take a look first, and then I'll go through the actual list and describe in detail what everything is. So there's a lot of this filler. There's the mess that I was talking about earlier. We have here a little tea. It's lemon and elderflower. I like this packaging. I've never heard of this brand, Buoys. So I'm looking forward to trying that. Elderflower is a nice flavor. Oh, this is so pretty. I don't think I'll be able to eat it. It's a little cookie with a print of Windsor Castle, and it has Harry and Meghan's name on it and the wedding date. How beautiful is this? It says hand-iced printed cookies, vanilla, chocolate, and ginger. So this kind of looks vanilla to me, so I don't know if we'll see, because I don't know if I'm going to eat this, or maybe I can dry it out somehow and use it as an ornament. I don't know. I have to look into that, but that is gorgeous. I love this. We have a royal wedding tea towel. Oh, I love tea towels. I love the colors here with the splash of red. And it says, this limited edition royal wedding tea towel celebrates the wedding of Prince Harry and Meghan Markle. The commemorative design features beautifully illustrated rose garlands, wedding bells, and Windsor Castle. This seems to be like a postcard type thing, and it just says Harry and Meghan's stars. and it gives the coordinates. I guess somebody has named stars in their honor. Those are the coordinates. I love astronomy, but I have no idea how to figure that out. I guess I'll just Google it and see if anybody has posted telescopic pictures. But that's pretty neat. I don't see what the use of this is, but it's nice, I guess. Oh, I love this. It's a notebook dedicated to Harry and Meghan. So pretty. It's made by Millie Green. It's an A5 size journal, and it has all things British, the Union Jack, the wedding carriage. I should say all things British wedding inspired. And it's just ruled. It has little hearts on the inside, and the elastic bookmark or book enclosure. This is adorable. Adorable. I don't journal or anything, so again, I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but it is so pretty and so commemorative. I go crazy over this stuff. I'm a bit of a sap. Okay, this is interesting. It's an envelope. Oh, it's got little postcards. Oh no, it's a card. What? What is this? Okay. You're invited, Harry and Meghan. Love is in the air. Very punny. And then you open it up, and there's this card. Oh, the Anglophile channel is, I think, by Americans who love the UK, and I guess they're making it to the wedding, and this is just a promo to check out their blog to see their experience, I guess. But that's nice and commemorative too. Again, nothing useful, but I'll just put it to the side. And then there's one last item in here. Oh, it's the same as this card. It just has the same print, and it's a tote bag. Now, I would have preferred something with their faces on it, to be honest, something tacky like that you'd find in a gift shop, but this is pretty cute. I love these thin tote bags because you can fold them up really nice and small and put them in any purse and then just take them grocery shopping. And yeah, I do like them and I do use them. So that will be a nice addition to my collection. So that was the box. Honestly, I think for me personally, the best thing in it was the cookie. I think this is what I expected in the box, and this did not disappoint. All in all, it was a good box. It was a good experience. I was excited about the wedding. I love royal weddings. I remember watching Charles and Diana's wedding with my grandfather as a little girl. We woke up really early, and I've just been a sucker ever since. And I'm so happy that I'm having this experience right now at the Royal York. I can't believe that we actually paid money to stay in the hotel and watch the wedding. It's crazy. But okay, so let's just take an official look at what's in the box using this, and I'll try to go through it quickly. We've got the tote bag, Harry and Meghan Stars tote bag. It retails for £9, made from the unique designs of 78 Design based in Wirksworth, England. Visualize the stars above Windsor Castle on the night of the 19th of May 2018. We have also included a card print for framing. Then we've got the Royal Wedding Notebook, Millie Green Designs, retails £11. A beautiful limited edition cotton apron design. What? I don't think so. I think they made a mistake here, but it says a beautiful limited edition cotton apron designed to celebrate the marriage of Prince Harry and Meghan Markle, designed and made in the UK. Then there is the tea towel, which I wish it was an apron. I would probably get more use out of that. Royal Wedding Tea Towel by Victoria Eggs. Retails £12, celebrates the wedding of Prince Harry and Meghan Markle. The design is beautifully illustrated with rose garlands, wedding bells, Windsor Castle, and a Queen's Guard, along with the date, location, and names of the happy couple. Then we've got custom-made Royal Wedding Cookie, retails £3. Bewley's Lemon and Elderflower Tea, inspired by the Royal Wedding Cake. Oh, I wonder, are those the flavors? Lemon and elderflower? I'm not sure. I haven't heard anything about the wedding cake. And that's it. Now, this is the classic box. They also have a quintessentials box, which has a few more items. Let's see what else they had. So they had all of these items, plus a commemorative mug. Oh, I would have loved that. And a royal wedding pen. Also a coaster / trinket dish. That would have been nice too. And another royal wedding tea blend. So that is it. That was everything in my... Oh, they didn't even mention this. So I guess this was definitely just promo materials. So that was my box. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you're in North America. A, do you love the royals? Do you hate the royals? Are you just don't care about them? B, if you do love the royals and you're in North America, did you get up early to watch the royal wedding? And C, if you're overseas, particularly in England, did you go to Windsor to check out the royal wedding? I'd be curious to know about your experience. And that's all I've got for you today. I hope you have a great weekend. Happy wedding day to Harry and Meghan. Hope you have a great future together, many kids, and a lot of happiness. Thanks again for watching. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and I will talk to you in my next video. Ciao for now.